हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम है विश्वजीत और आप सभी का मेरे चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में बात करने वाला हूँ यूनाइटेड नेशन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल के बारे में। इंडिया हैज़ बीन री इलेक्टेड एज अ नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर इन द यूनाइटेड नेशन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल। सो व्हाट डज दिस मीन फॉर इंडिया एंड बीइंग अ नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर व्हाट पावर्स विल इंडिया हैव? तो ये सब जानने के लिए आपको ये वीडियो पूरा देखना पड़ेगा। सो डू वॉच दिस वीडियो कम्प्लीटली एंड आई विल सी यू ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। आज के इस वीडियो में बात करने वाला हूं भारत के ऐसे दो महान क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी On 15th of June, there was a violent clash between India and China in the Galwan Valley. According to news reports, 20 of our brave Jawans lost their lives, whereas according to the US reports, 35 Chinese soldiers were killed. And while these things were going on, India got re-elected as a non-permanent member in the United Nations Security Council. So India getting re-elected for the 8th time is definitely a proud moment for all of us. So this is what our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi had to say about this. He tweeted that he is deeply grateful for the overwhelming support shown by the global community for India's membership of the UN Security Council. India will work with all the member countries to promote global peace, security, resilience and equity. But why there is so much importance given to the United Nations Security Council? To answer this, we need to understand what the UNSC is responsible for. The United Nations Security Council is responsible for maintaining international peace and security. It can issue ceasefire directives, it can dispatch peacekeeping force, it can impose sanctions on any country or even financial penalties. So this is what the United Nations Security Council is responsible for. But since India is a non-permanent member, what power will it have? To understand this, let us understand the overall structure of the United Nations Security Council. The United Nations Security Council consists of 15 members. There are 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. The 5 permanent members are China, Russia, United States of America, United Kingdom and France. Whereas the non-permanent members are Belgium, Dominican Republic, Estonia, Germany, Indonesia, Niger, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, South Africa, Tunisia and Vietnam. And India will be part of this group from January 2021. So the 5 permanent members, China, United States of America, United Kingdom, France and Russia, will have a veto power. This veto will allow any of this country to block the adoption of any resolution. To explain you in a simple way, suppose a resolution has been passed by 14 members, and if any one of the permanent members, be it China, be it Russia, be it US, be it UK or be it France, if anyone from the permanent members casts a negative vote against this resolution, the entire resolution will not be adopted. So this is what a veto power is, and these countries have the veto power. Whereas the non-permanent members will have a collective right to veto. Any resolution in the UNSC has to be passed by at least 7 non-permanent members, even if it is accepted by the permanent members. So India will have this power. It can, bring other non-permanent members into an agreement and stop the adoption of any resolution which is passed by the permanent members or other members in the United Nations Security Council. So now you must be wondering why India is still not a permanent member in the United Nations Security Council. India is the largest democracy in the world. India has never invaded any other country. And also India has the second largest population in the world, and still India is not the permanent member in the United Nations Security Council. To answer this, there are a lot of roadblocks in India's path, and if you want me to make a detailed video on this, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to do that. So guys, that's it from this video. I hope that you like this video of mine. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon for more notification. And yes, I will see you in another video. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.